Hello troops. So just a quick reminder, this time next month, so today is the Wednesday the 19th of February, okay, Wednesday the 19th of March, I, Dale Vincent, will be attending Bristol Crown Court for a Section 24A of Pace Police and Criminal Evidence Act 1984, first one of its kind against a police constable. I can tell you guys, last Friday, me and my legal team and about 10 witnesses went to court, and them guys are far more familiar than the court system than I am. But when we come out of the courtroom, they were absolutely bouncing. And when I asked what I missed, they said they've never seen a more fair trial. They said the judge was unbelievable. Your Honourable Judge Lambert, okay, he is a High Court judge, and he has allowed us to submit everything. So now it doesn't matter. So for those of you unaware, throughout the due process, you may get a number of different judges. Because that was the last one before the trial, doesn't matter who we get now. The jury are going to see everything. They allowed us to submit everything, guys. Oh my bloody days. My legal team were expecting a legal fight in the case, but it didn't happen. The guy was absolutely, which strengthens my belief in the justice system a little bit, because we don't want to believe it's rotten to the core. We know there are elements of rot there that need removing, unfortunately. But yeah, it's nice to know that there's a little bit of faith. So they allowed us to submit everything. I mean, so we have, as witnesses, we have the leading cardiologist in the UK, an MP, a copper, a funeral director that's pulling out all sorts of fucking weird embalmers from autopsies and stuff after this now labelled biological weapon. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, I really am. I'm just doing a job. I'm just trying to keep my community safe. Hey! Or as safe as I possibly can. I was 14 years in the military. And that's what I signed up for, to keep my guys safe. And I left December 2020 and into this shower of absolute shit. I knew this information quickly. What kind of person would I be knowing this information and not acting upon it? Given my history. So it's all I've done since I was the age of 16 years old. I've protected my guys. So this was literally just another day in the office, no fucking different. But we initially done it to make people aware, which we achieved tens of millions of times, and I'm very proud. I'm more proud of that than my entire army career, I'll be honest with you. But that's a different story. But now, something I never thought would happen is we're going to see it through to the bloody, to the final trial. So 1 month today, 19th of March, Wednesday. Please come and support us. I reckon it's going to be very biblical, because it's never been done before. And again, any jury that gaze eyes upon my evidence bundle will see that there's definite criminality taking place. I have absolutely no worries of that. I have absolute faith in the evidence. It is very fucking undeniable. And the only thing we need to prove is that police officer wasn't doing his job that day. And they refused to take the evidence off us. In what fucking world, right? Honestly, guys, oh my God, it's baffling out there. However, remaining optimistic, we are going to win now. This time next month, we're going to win. We're going to achieve case law. And then I'm hoping it will inspire other men and women of... it'll help us ignite the fire in us that we need, because at the moment our children are vulnerable and they're getting damaged on a fucking level we can't fathom. And this is their .gov.uk fucking statistics, the yellow card scheme in the VAES database. So, honestly, it's undeniable. I'm sorry that happened. If you are suffering from the spike protein replicating inside your body because you've been unfortunately exposed to said medicine, Oh, that's one thing of calling it, but we know we've been deceived calling it that. But there's many protocols to stop the spike protein replicating. Dr. Peter McCullen, he's got a few, you know. Yeah, there's plenty out there. Vitamin C, full spectrum hemp oil, RSO. Just do a little bit of digging, because you know, it's not all doom and gloom. Our immune systems can repair from this, but you have to act accordingly. It's no good knowing this information. You have to be doing it. So if you're not coming or you can't make it, wish us the best of luck. Pray for us. When we create this case law, it will be great for our country, because it will mean that the police, they will not be able to get away with fucking inaction. You know, ultimately, this is what we pay them for. This is the reason why we allow a police to police us, so they can do a fucking good job. But the standard of policing nowadays is absolutely diabolical. It's frightening. It's absolutely scary. I've been to the police station loads of times and they're just like, no, that's not relevant. And I'm telling you, like Jimmy Savile kind of evidence relevant. And, you know, it doesn't matter. You know, if you don't know this, Tim Ballard, what's his job? The same as fucking, I forget Detective John Wedger in the UK. They fucking sacked him from the police because what he exposed. Jesus, and people don't even know this. And this is not years ago. This is fucking the other day. I've met him. He's still alive. Oh, shit. Nearly went on my ass. But yeah, guys, it's still happening. It's very fucking, you know, go and watch The Sound of Freedom. The fucking, our system is not what you think it is. We need, you know, and it's easy to rebuild. You just need good fucking men and women to fucking start pointing things out. Simple. Just a little bit of integrity. A little bit of fucking discipline we need, because we're so conditioned. Anyway, please come and support us. 19th of March, 2025. It's going to be biblical. We can't lose. If they take it to trial, in my opinion, we can't lose. The fucking guys that are working their fucking arse off for me, I call them a legal team. None of them are taking anything. They've just seen my content and they've just reached out and they started helping me. We can't lose. We got some fucking brilliant minds behind this. I'd be shit if I seen that paperwork that we submitted last Friday and I was this corporate. I would be pantsing myself. No joke. Because I got disciplined as a soldier when I fucked up. Why isn't it the same for the police? Let's fucking discipline shit police. Let's bring it back. Let's make the fucking police somebody that we can be proud of. Instead of fucking, you know, knowing about Jimmy Savile and just, they haven't fucking aged a day. In Detective John Wedger's fucking opinion. And mine. And Tim Ballard's. Okay, big love to you troops. Big love. I'll be live on Facebook tonight, 2100. Vince7027. Roger.